Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Toyota CHR Limited. This is a 5-passenger crossover in black sand pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this CHR includes the updated facelift, two-tone paint with the black body and the silver roof. Other great features includes fold-away side mirrors, proximity smart key system, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the CHR does have a proximity smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it's as easy as just putting our hand inside the door handle. If we take a look in the side mirror first, you can see you do have a blind spot monitoring system. Inside the door here, you'll find your power windows, locks, power adjustable side mirrors. You have a little bit of storage space on the bottom of the door as well. You'll also find your heated steering wheel right next to the door there. Now inside, this CHR comes equipped with black leather seating. And on the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. The CHR is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press that engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, along with your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Taking a look back on the steering wheel, on the right side, you'll find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Continuing on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any device that's connected as well as any audio that's playing. On the right side, you have your trip information, which you can press on the screen. And here you can also look at your history as well. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB and Bluetooth. Now if we go into menu, there you have your projection icon for your Apple CarPlay. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the left and right side, you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have your eco mode on the top right corner. And lastly, if you move down, you'll find some storage space along with cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary. Taking a look inside the back here, we do have a nice little cup holder in the door there. Of course, we are continuing with the black leather. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you do also have these little extra storage compartments. These rear seats do also fold down. There's a little button here in the corner. If we give that a press, the seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Now to access the cargo of this CHR, there's a button under the Toyota emblem there. We can just give that a press. That'll open up nice and easy. Of course, you have plenty of storage space in the back of this crossover. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will also give you that extra bit of room. With the CHR, you also get this nice cargo cover as well. We can also look underneath here. This is where you'll find some extra storage along with the tools and your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your dual climate control, push start, driver and passenger heated seats, along with a heated steering wheel. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.